Can you solve this? Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we want to find the value of x from this given nice math exponential problem. 3 raised to power x plus 2 is equal to 2 raised to power x plus 5. Try this on your own and let's see. Give your answer in the comment section. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Now we have the given equation 3 raised to power x plus 2 is equal to 2 raised to power x plus 5. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. We have log 3 raised to power x plus 2 is equal to 2 raised to power x plus 5. Then take note of this, that if you have log m raised to power n, this is equal to n log m. This can be written as x plus 2 bracket log 3 is equal to x plus 5 bracket log 2. Let us open the bracket. S multiplied by log 3, this is s log 3, plus 2 multiplied by log 3, this is 2 log 3, is equal to s multiplied by log 2, s log 2, plus 5 multiplied by log 2, 5 log 2. Let us collect like times. We have s log 3 here and then s log 2 here. S log 3 minus x log 2 is equal to 5 log 2 minus 2 log 3. Now here s is common. Let's bring it out. S bracket log 3 minus log 2 bracket is equal to 5 log 2 minus 2 log 3. Now we are looking for the value of s. Let us divide both sides of this equation by log 3 minus log 2. This divided by log 3 minus log 2. And this divided by log 3 minus log 2. This cancel this. S is equal to 5 log 2 minus 2 log 3 over log 3 minus log 2. But log 2 is equal to 0.3010 and log 3 is equal to 0.4771. S is equal to 5 bracket 0.3010 minus 2 bracket 0.4771 over 0.4771 minus 0.3010. S is equal to 5 multiplied by 0.3010. This is 1.505 minus 2 multiplied by 0.4771. This is 0.9542 over 0.4771 minus 0.3010. That is 0.1761. X is equal to 1.505 minus 0.9542. That is 0.5508 over 0.1761. Then x will be equal to 0.5508 divided by 0.1761, that is 3.1278. Then this is the value of s. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let us check. To check, we have the given equation 3 raised to power s plus 2 is equal to 2 raised to power s plus 5. Now, if s is equal to 3.1278, then we have 3 raised to power 3.1278 plus 2 is equal to 2 raised to power 3.1278 plus 5. Now, let us consider this. 3 raised to power 3.1278 plus 2. This is equal to 3 raised to power 5.1278. This is equal to 279.6, and this approximately equal to 280. Let us consider this. We have 2 raised to power 3.1278 plus 5 is equal to 2 raised to power 8.1278 and is equal to 279.712. This is approximately equal to 280. Therefore, the left hand side, 280, is equal to the right hand side, 280. Which is true. Let us solve this using another method and call this method 2. We have the given equation 3 raised to power s plus 2 is equal to 2 raised to power s plus 5. Now we want to use the method of natural logarithm to solve this problem and see if our answer is going to be the same or not. Let us take the natural log on both sides of this equation. We have ln of 3 raised to power s plus 2 is equal to ln of 2 raised to power s plus 5. Now this is s plus 2 ln of 3 is equal to s plus 5 ln of 2. If you open the bracket, we have s ln of 3 plus 2 ln of 3 is equal to s ln of 2 plus 5 ln of 2. Now, let us collect like times. S ln of 3 minus s ln of 2 is equal to 5 ln of 2 minus 2 ln of 3. S is common here. We have s bracket ln of 3 minus ln of 2 is equal to 5 ln of 2 minus 2 ln of 3. We are looking for the value of s. Let's divide this by ln of 3 minus ln of 2 and also divide this by ln of 3 minus ln of 2. This cancel this. S is equal to 5 ln of 2 minus 2 ln of 3 over ln of 3 minus ln of 2. Then this is equal to 5 ln of 2 minus 2 ln of 3 is 1.2685 over ln of 3 minus ln of 2. This is equal to 0.4055. Then S will be equal to 1.2685 divided by 0.4055. That is 3.1282, which is the same thing as what we got using the normal logarithm. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.